Now let's head over and meet Anthony. He's been passionate about animals since he was a kid. When he heard about DelVal's hands-on philosophy and the great success rate of DelVal's grads succeeding in veterinarian school, he knew this was the place for him. Anthony, you're on.
What's up, guys? I know what you're thinking. What's this kid's story? Well, truth is, I don't got much of one. I was born and raised in the small town of Lidditz, Pennsylvania, and I lived a very average life. But it wasn't until I turned on the TV and switched over to Animal Planet and saw this extremely passionate man doing what he loved. And this man was Steve Irwin. His passion for animals was truly inspirational, and I caught his passion like someone would catch the common cold. So when I was looking for colleges, I needed one that would help me become the best version of myself and help my dreams become a reality. And let me tell you, DelVal was that school. During my freshman year, I was super eager to take advantage of all the clubs and organizations on campus. And it was kind of easy considering that there are over 70+ options to choose from. So I decided to join the Pre-Vet Club and the Student Government Board, where I would become heavily involved over the next 2 years. With the Pre-Vet Club, we are constantly inviting guest speakers such as vet schools and alumni to talk about internships and opportunities. With the Pre-Vet Club, we are super hands-on, and we teach a lot of valuable skills such as dissections and blood drawing. Also, the Pre-Vet Club has a lot of connections all across the world. For example, next summer, I will be traveling to Australia and working with the local wildlife and veterinarians there. Fast forward another year to my senior year, and I'll be working in Indonesia as a research assistant with aquatic wildlife, which is something that I want to specialize in as a vet. But the Pre-Vet Club also helps a lot with my classes on campus. For example, in my Intro to Animal Science class, we had to gavage and draw blood on mice. But luckily, I had some friends in the Pre-Vet Club that could help me out with that. And during my freshman year, I was already working with animals, which is something extremely unique to DelVal. With the Student Government Board, I am the treasurer and I'm also the class president of 2023. And my favorite part about Student Government Board is the yearly trip that we take to the National Student Government Board Association. Last year, we went to New Orleans, and let me tell you, it was an absolute blast. And I took away a lot of valuable experiences that will help me with all my executive positions on campus. Not only that, but I also attended LeaderShape last year. And out of everything on campus that I've done, LeaderShape has been by far the most impactful. When I came back from LeaderShape, I learned a lot about my leadership style, how to inspire others to be leaders, and how to push myself to become the best version of myself. And then when we all came back to campus, we had 50 new and experienced leaders to help run all of our clubs and organizations. This is how DelVal creates a culture of leaders. As you can see, I love DelVal, and I know you'll flip for it too. Back to you, Alex.
I love your story, Anthony. You can see how the hands-on opportunities you are getting here at DelVal are preparing you to follow your passion for working with animals, and it is incredible to see how many cool and interesting fields of study there are here. See you later, Anthony.